But I don't know if you remember the first person you have been cut his hair. I don't know.
Outside of myself,
Really?
I cut myself
nice.
first. I
Wow.
wouldn't cut nobody. I wouldn't
Awesome.
cut nobody before I cut myself. Outside of myself,
Mm.
it was probably one of my friends. I can't say exactly which one. Like I said, I've been doing this since I was like 13, 14, and I remember
Nice.
having
Yo,
the
genius.
cords and having, but they didn't even have like trimmers back then.
Yeah.
They didn't have like, so you had to use your big clippers
They got
and just go around.
yes,
So
yeah.
that was probably,
Yeah.
I can't never remember by name, but it's probably one of my friends.
And yeah, and then I don't know if it's difficult to become a barber.
These days, not so much. You
Mm.
have a couple different ways. You can go to school
Mm.
and attain 1,500 credit hours, and then you have to pass the state board, or you can now um, go to a barbershop and kind of job shadow them, but you still have to take the state boards, but you can do more of apprentice than having to go to school. I think having to go to school each and every day puts a whole nother element in. So if school not for you, like studying and stuff, then I feel like it's not difficult if you want to do it.
Maybe